In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use open-ended cell references in Google Sheets. Open-ended cell references allows to account for future data or sheets that are constantly being updated. So for example, for this one, this is a sales and transaction report for an apparel company and is constantly being updated by store managers. So if you want to quickly compute the sum for this one, what you do is to start your formula with equal sign and then sum. Select your range and then press enter. But if you do have an update and let's say a new transaction and you input in some new data, your total profit doesn't update because again, it is limited to this range. But with open-ended cell references, everything new that will be added from this point on will be added to your total. So let's try and do that. We have our equal sign, our sum again. Select the start of our range, colon, and our end of our range is again open-ended, so we're just going to put in the column D and enter. And now you have a new total profit because again, the newly added value is added to your profit. And again, if we add the new one, let's say another transaction, there's another update and it's constantly changing to whatever you enter from here on out. And it's going to be the same thing with our total number of transactions. Now for this one, we're going to be using the count function. Let's say count, select your range and enter. So far there are only 16 transactions, but if you add a new one, it's not being updated because again, the range is only limited up to this part. So with our open-ended cell reference, we are just going to put the letter B at the end. So that's equal sign, count, the start of our range, and our open-ended cell reference. And there you have it. So now it's updated. And if you add another value, it's going to update again. And that's how to use open-ended cell references in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.